Microsoft Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool from Microsoft, designed to help businesses visualize and analyze data to make more informed decisions. In this review, I'll take you through its key features and give you an honest assessment of how it works in real-world use. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Power BI can help transform your data into actionable insights. When you first open Power BI, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. The setup process is relatively straightforward, but there is a learning curve, especially if you're new to business intelligence tools. The tool integrates well with Microsoft Excel, SharePoint, and other Microsoft applications, which is a plus if you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem. However, some users might find the interface overwhelming at first due to the vast array of features it offers. Point one of Power BI's standout features is its ability to create visually appealing dashboards. You can customize reports with charts, graphs, and maps, making it easier to understand complex data. The drag-and-drop functionality is intuitive, and there's a wide selection of visualization options. However, while Power BI excels in visualization, the sheer volume of options might make it hard to know where to start. The data connectivity options are extensive. Power BI can pull data from a variety of sources, including cloud-based platforms, databases, and even local files. It also offers live data connections, so you can track real-time metrics, which is great for businesses that need to stay on top of performance at all times. However, the pricing model for Power BI may not be clear-cut for everyone. The free version offers a lot of functionality, but if you want to unlock advanced features, like sharing and collaboration, you'll need to opt for the Pro or Premium versions, which come at a higher cost. Some users may feel that the cost is a bit high for smaller businesses, especially when comparing it to other analytics tools in the market. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeal, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another downside to Power BI is that it requires a decent amount of technical expertise. While the tool is relatively easy to use for basic tasks, more complex features, such as DAX formulas and custom visualizations, can be challenging for beginners. There are plenty of online resources to help, but it may take time to fully master the platform. Despite these drawbacks, Power BI remains one of the most powerful business intelligence tools available. Its seamless integration with Microsoft products, robust visualization options, and large community support make it an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes. Just be prepared for a learning curve and consider the pricing structure before committing. Overall, Microsoft Power BI offers excellent value for those who need powerful analytics and data visualization. However, if you're a smaller business or just starting, you may want to explore the free version first or evaluate other tools based on your budget and needs. If you're considering Power BI for your business, I highly recommend giving it a try. It may take time to master, but the insights you'll gain from it are invaluable. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews like this one.